Hello everyone, hope you are doing great, and I'm very excited to present to you this new video series on Flutter. So Flutter is a new mobile platform or mobile framework that Google announced very recently, and it is now in beta 2. And basically what it does is it lets you create a very dynamic and beautiful UI based on Google's material design very easily in one single language. So all you need to do is basically know a bit about Dart programming language, which is the language of choice to develop Flutter, and then you can actually develop both for Android and iOS. And in this course we're going to explore Dart and see how easy it is to understand and write your code in it. But what can you do in Flutter? Well, Flutter provides you a fast development. So as you can see in this example right here, that you are changing code on the on the editor side, and you can just do a hot reload, and then all your changes are reflected right then and there. So this gives you this gives you an opportunity to basically save a lot of time launching, relaunching, and stuff. So as you know, for a UI development, this is one of the main problem, where you make changes but you don't know how they're going to look on the device itself. Well, in this case, all you need to do is you make changes here, and then you just hit hot reload, and your changes are already on your in your app. All right, and you can do, as you can see, you can actually create a really beautiful UIs with this. Look at how they have actually created this table view or list view here, and there are some beautiful graphs and design, and everything here that you see is material design based. By default, it's material design based, but you can actually change it however you like to be. Okay, and it is modern and reactive, so it's basically based on reactive programming. So I don't know if you've heard, but reactive programming is a new way of programming where you don't have to do all the blocks in async programming, but it's actually all about observers and observing changes and stuff like that, and your code adapt to the change that it has actually listened to, and then it would actually make those new updates available to you, as a subsequent chain. So I would definitely recommend checking out reactive programming, but Flutter already does that for you, and you can access all or most of the native features and SDKs using Flutter library, and basically you can reuse your Java, Swift, or Objective-C code to do all those. All right. And one of the most defining feature is that it is optimized. It is optimized for not only for testing and integration and everything, but it is actually optimized for generating 2D GPU accelerated APIs, reactive framework, animations. It has fluent coding experience, and it is fast. It is actually really fast. It's as fast as your native basically apps. All right. And one of the things that you're gonna notice actually that there's a lot of support for Flutter, and there are a lot of packages that are getting released every single day, and it is open source, so anyone can contribute to it. But you can actually literally come on this pub.language.org and Flutter, and basically search for a plugin that you're looking for and drop it, and just start using it. And they give you nice examples, so you don't have to worry about how to basically use it, or how to dig up the documentation yourself and stuff like that. It is very well documented. So This is actually this is a huge change with Flutter getting into the market, and like with all the other cross platform frameworks out there like React Native and stuff. Flutter is definitely making a lot of difference, and I'm hoping that Google is gonna announce its final release candidate pretty soon. But right now they're in beta and they are going pretty successful and pretty strong. So I hope you guys are excited, and if you are, let's enroll into this course, and we will learn how to create Flutter apps. And over time, I'll be updating this content to include more and more examples that will show you different things how to do it. So this is a constantly updating content, basically a course. So I hope you enjoy the course, and I will see you in the course. Thank you.